A Walmart support ticket marked as closed does not always mean your issue was fully resolved. But it does mean Walmart has finished processing that support request in their system. By the end, you'll know what a closed ticket means, how to check the status of your issue, and what steps to take if you still need help. Start by opening your Walmart account and checking your support history. Look for the ticket details, the messages connected to it, and any resolution notes that were provided. This shows whether the issue was answered, updated, or closed without the result you expected. A closed ticket usually means the support conversation is no longer active. If your problem is still happening, you may need to create a new support request, instead of waiting for the old ticket to reopen. The next step is collecting the details of your original issue. Keep information like your order details, membership information, screenshots, and any previous messages available. This helps support teams understand what happened without needing to restart the entire explanation. If the ticket was closed but your problem remains, contact Walmart support again, and clearly explain that the previous request was closed before the issue was resolved. Include the original ticket information if it is available. Another thing to check is whether the issue was caused by a misunderstanding or missing information. Sometimes support closes a request because the available details were not enough to continue troubleshooting. Adding more specific information can help move the new request forward. For Walmart issues, review your membership details inside your account as well. Confirm that the account information matches the issue you are reporting before submitting another request. Avoid creating multiple support requests for the same problem at the same time. Duplicate requests can make it harder to track the correct conversation. Instead, use one active request and provide complete details. The main points are simple. First, a closed Walmart support ticket means the previous request is no longer active. Second, check the ticket history to understand what happened. Third, if the problem is not fixed, submit a new request with the details needed to continue. Your next step is to open your Walmart account, review the closed ticket information, and contact support again with any missing details. If this guide helped you fix your Walmart support issue, like the video and subscribe for more practical app and subscription guides.